Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basic prerequisites so the connection can proceed. First, make sure your PC actually has a Bluetooth adapter and that drivers are present. Device Manager will show it. Next, power on the device you want to pair and set it to discoverable mode, staying within roughly 10 meters. Once done, open the Start menu or press the Windows key to begin the pairing steps. This gets you directly into settings without extra navigation. Now you'll enable Bluetooth and pair the device. Go to Settings, then Devices, then Bluetooth and Other Devices. Turn Bluetooth on if it's off and click Add Bluetooth or Other Device to scan. When your gadget appears in the list, select its name. Windows will initiate pairing and may show a PIN or code. Confirm it matches on both devices. Make sure to accept any prompts on the accessory. Once paired, Windows typically shows a connected status, and the device is ready to use. Finish by verifying the device is listed as connected in Bluetooth settings and that it functions in your applications. If pairing fails, try toggling Bluetooth off and back on, then restart the PC and the accessory. This clears temporary states. If problems persist, open Device Manager to update, roll back, or reinstall the Bluetooth adapter driver. Drivers often cause issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, remove the device from Bluetooth settings and repeat Add Device. Repairing resolves many stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.